Hey my friends, what's going on? Kater here on a beautiful day, my friends. So pound that for watching this video. So guys, in this video today, we're gonna be talking about Shopify, how to make money investing. If you do follow my channel, I do make a lot of video about Shopify e-commerce. Matter of fact, I do have a full playlist, which I'm gonna put at the end of this video, that you can watch many different videos that I make about Shopify e-commerce. But lately, this year, 2018, or whatever time you're watching this video, I've been focusing my business more on the investing side, where I can invest into business to, where I can invest to make my money grow. Last year, I concentrated a lot on creating income, whether that's gonna be with e-commerce, affiliate marketing. This year, a lot of my focus, as you guys can see, I transitioned a lot into cryptocurrency, different investing. Again, this is not investment advice. This is me just telling you my strategy, what I'm doing. If it's gonna work for you, whether it's gonna work for you, I don't know. But I'm telling you based on what I'm doing, what's working for me, and what I plan to do now.
I'm also doing a giveaway to one of my loyal subscribers by card or by PayPal, $100. Here's how you can be part of it. You want to smash the like button on this video. You also want to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Also turn on notification bell so you can always be notified when I drop new content. Scroll down below, and then at the end of the video, drop a comment. Let me know how you feel about the video so that I choose a winner, and then from those winners, I'll send the money either out to PayPal. Follow my next video. Once I choose the winner, I'll announce it. I'll take your email, then go to send money here, and then I'm gonna go to my PayPal, put it there, send you the money. You go hard, right? You go hard or you go home. You know what's gonna happen for yourself, guys. I can tell you, you can change your life.
So last week I went to an event. I went to an investing event, and we learned so many great stuff. And I started looking into investing even more. So I want to share with you one of the ways that I've been making money with Shopify, but on the investing side. The story that happened last year, here's how I got started into investing into Shopify. In 2016 now, December of 2016, I made a video about products that can make you $100,000 on your store, right? So I flashed the video on the screen so you guys can see it. That video kind of went viral, got over, now I think we got 340,000 views, right? So 340,000 views. So what I did on that video, I put my affiliate link for Shopify right down below the video. So I ended up getting a bunch of affiliate sales every day. Like, it started making me like $3,000 every 2 weeks. Then it was like $1,000. Then it's like $350 now. Now, after doing it for so long, it stabilized at $350. I'll put the screenshot so you can see it, that's coming in every week. With that, that's on the affiliate income side. Then I decided, hey, you know what? What if I could do something with that money by putting it back in the company to make me even more, without thinking about Facebook ads and stuff like that. So what I started doing was, no, this is not how I started. This is how I started, right? So last year, I was accumulating all this income in the back end. So last year, after Shopify, so from 2016, it went on a rampage. Like every website, every major celebrity, every blogs, they started to adapt the platform because it was a lot easier for them if they have a current online store. Like let's say they have merchandise, let's say t-shirts or whatever they're selling. So it became a lot easier because they have a payment processor already on there. So all they gotta do is really drive traffic. So if they already have a fan base, or anybody that can create a fan base, or if you can accumulate traffic, it became so easy for you to just send traffic, you get the payment right in your back office. So a lot of people started doing dropshipping, which is where I started, where we buy product from other people who has them, sometimes overseas using AliExpress in different places. So we would buy the product, and then directly ship it to the person who bought it from us, right? So someone will buy from our website. So we'll advertise the product, I should say. We'll advertise the product on Facebook. We'll do a Facebook ads, whether it's gonna be a video ad or whether it was just a regular ad. So we'll market the video, and then people will go to the website and they'll buy. Automatically we get the payment. The next day the payment hits our account. So what we would do is take that person's money. So we'll mark up the item a little bit higher. Let's say I was selling something for $10. It would cost me like $2 to get. Or let's go on the higher side. If I was selling something for $30, it would cost me $10 to get. So I would be about $20 in profit. Let's say I pay $5 to acquire that customer. So $5 for customer acquisition, which lets me with $15 in profit. So the next day I'll just take their money and go buy the product and then put the address, ship it directly to them. See, a lot of people started making a lot of noise. A lot of people started making a lot of money with the strategy, with the system. So what happened to the stacks, as a main company, their stacks went from $45 in 2016. Well, it was about $55 in 2016. But from that year, it went from $45 to around July. Was it July of 2017? And the next year, it tripled to $145. Meaning that if you had money, you invested $10,000, you literally made $30,000 without doing anything. If you had $100K, you invested it. Then, I'm not saying that's going to be the future market. Past market does not equal future market, but I'm just giving you that information to let you know so you can understand, right? So if you had put 100,000, you would have had 300,000. If you was a millionaire, you put 1 million. So by July, you literally have $3 million without doing any work because the company grew. This is where you would buy a share. This is called EPS, earning per share. So the earning per share for Shopify at that moment was $145. Now, there was this guy who made a video from Citron Research and he pointed me out in there. Now, I wasn't investing in Shopify yet. I wasn't investing in anything. So he pointed me out because I was an affiliate. Remember, I told you I made a video that went viral that got over 345,000 views. So I was getting a lot of affiliate commissions every single day, which I'm still getting now from the video I made back then. That's the power of making videos. And then he went from the stock market point of view and saying how Shopify was a scam, the affiliate was a scam, the program is a scam, people don't use it, while not even knowing there was major stores, major celebrity, major people that was using Shopify, was making millions with their store. It was a customer solution, right? The platform provided a customer solution. They provide an entrepreneurial solution to all those people who has their own store, who want to build their own business, right? So then when that came out after the income statement, so after the first quarter, usually the company dropped their income statement, which is what they do for the year. And then that's where you're going to learn your EPS, earning per share and stuff like that. But after that drop, that guy, I forgot his name, from Citron Research, I put a link down below to the article they wrote back then. Like that was last year, right? So after he wrote that article, that thing, Shopify went down, but that's when I learned a little bit more about the stock market and investing there. So I started looking into, wait, what if I invest the money that I make on the Shopify, right? What if I invest the money that I'm making right now on the affiliate side? What if I just invested there, right? How much money would I make? More if I can triple my money instead of just getting the commission. If I can triple my money, which is the reason I'm making this video, to get you informed. So what I did, I got a Robinhood account. So there's a little app on your phone. If you want to make money, okay, with Shopify, with investing, I'm going to give you the process on how you can do it. Now, I'm just giving you the process. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just telling you what works for me, all right? Because investing advice is one thing that I kind of pull back from, except giving you strategy and tactic that you guys can actually use. So download this app on your phone called Robinhood. They're going to have you fill out an application. After you fill out the application on the app, they're going to give you access the way you can actually buy stocks. So you log in, put your account, you can start buying them right now. So I'm going to jump into the computer. We'll see the current market value of it and see how this thing can work. Now, the reason why I invested in it is because I have a criteria that I developed to grade a certain market, or to grade a certain product, to see that if it's something that I want to invest in or I want to get involved with, like market effectiveness. Is it really are they doing a really great job? Because sometimes people can have a product, they just market it well, but the product is garbage. Like for example, me, I was already using the platform. I was already using the platform to create ads. I was already using the platform to build a business. So it wasn't a big deal to me because I already know the capacity, the capability of that platform, using it for myself and for different clients that I have. So I know it's powerful. Even the people who's marketing, hey, you can make millions with it, I've made with it. So I have other people who've made with it. So it's like, dude, like it's not a lie at all. And then product delivery, do the deliver on the product. You know, after you get into a specific market that you want to buy, do the delivery on the product, and it delivers on exactly what they said. So that's why I want to share with you. We'll jump into the computer. We'll see a little bit. It'll be up to you if you want to invest. Let me know what you think. That was your boy Cater.
Okay, so we are now in my computer, guys. So let's look at the Shopify stocks right now. Let's go to Google. I've already searched it. So right now it's currently $120. But let's look at a year from now. I bought for about $20,000 when the whole thing happens, and I keep buying more as the years goes by. But it was around December. Like the thing happened around November. See, you go at its lowest. So the thing happened around November. Around December at its lowest, I bought it at $95. That's when, after the whole commotion that happened, it started going down. The price started going down. I bought it right here. I like 96. I bought it at $96. It's 95. I bought it at 96. So on its way up. So I got 208 shares. Now 208 shares now at $96. Now currently the market value, even if you look underneath on the New York Stock Exchange, if you want to look it up over here, it's 121.65. So if I take my 208 shares times 121, it's actually 25,000. So I make $5,000 profit just by putting my money in there, right? So if you, and I keep putting more money as I get my commissions that comes through. So if you getting commissions, or if you currently have a business that's rocking, it's definitely in your advantage to at least take 10%, or to actually take some money of it and invest into whatever you're currently doing. So if you're currently running a store, I highly recommend that. So how do you do that? You gotta go to this website, Robinhood. Now they have a phone application which makes it a lot easier that you guys can actually use. But you can go to the website, you can click on the sign up button over here. They're gonna ask you for your name, your first name, email, you know, blah 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 blah, username, all this stuff. They ask you for your basic information. They're gonna do your identification, so they can ask you for your social, or if you have a EIN business number, they can ask you for that. Then you're gonna plug in your bank account and you fund it. So on a weekly basis, you submit the application. You know, sometimes it takes a little while for them to get back to you. If it takes you a little while, all you gotta do is either call them on the phone or send them an email, and they're gonna get you started. And then you can start doing that. Just think about it. You know, if you look at the exchange throughout the years, let's do like 5 years. I mean, put the whole time. You can see the graph. If you put it a year from now, you can see the graph. It just keep on going up. Yeah, there might be some little fluctuation where it goes down for a little bit, but you can see it doesn't stay down for that long. It just keep on going up. And you know, over here, this is where the whole Kabula happened. You know, it went crazy, ballistic, down, up and down a little bit here, but it's recuperating. As you can see, the market is going up, up and up and up. So, yeah, guys, that's the deal.
Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. That was your boy Cater. Pound that pow if you learned something, or if you're going to go take some action. I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys later. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys later. Bye.